The Centre on June 18th released the Draft Cinematograph Amendment Bill 2021, which is open for public comments until July 2nd. Now, what the Draft Amendment Bill seeks to do has not gone down well with several actors and filmmakers in India. Before I jump into the changes proposed, let's rewind to the existing framework of the Cinematograph Act 1952. The Central Board of Film Certification (CBFC) grants certification to films based on the criteria mentioned under Section 5A of the Act. The CBFC can reject a film based on Section 5B if it deems the film affects the sovereignty, integrity, security of India, or if it affects public order or is in contempt of court. Section 5B also empowers the Union government in setting principles which could guide the board while certifying films. Well, pause for now. There is an additional flashback. In 2017, while hearing a petition to delete certain scenes in the documentary film An Insignificant Man based on Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, then Chief Justice Deepak Mishra observed that freedom of speech or expression is sacrosanct and that artistic freedom cannot be curbed. Cut to present. According to the Draft Amendment Bill, the first proposal equips the Centre with revisionary powers, which means the Union government can reverse the certification provided by the CBFC. Many filmmakers from Anurag Kashyap to Kamal Haasan are upset and have raised their voice against the Modi government. In April 2021, the central government decided to abolish the Film Certification Appellate Tribunal. Filmmakers turned to this place to appeal if they were dissatisfied with the certificate granted to their film. According to the current certification, UA requires parental guidance for children under 12 and A is for adult films. The new draft divides this further into age-based groups, UA 7+, 13+, and 16+. This goes in line with the IT rules that have been set for OTT platforms as well. And finally, the provision to penalize film piracy. The punishment includes imprisonment between 3 months to 3 years with a substantial fine. Poor law enforcement agencies, you are going to be overworked considering that piracy in India reportedly rose by over 60% post-COVID. Well, is this how films are going to be? Here is my opinion on what is going on in this country.
Cut.
And another thing.
Cut.
But in all fairness to all leaders, they have been trying too very hard to curb piracy, but that doesn't take away from.
Cut. Cut. Cut.